subscribe with notifications on.
All right, guys. Today we just arrived. We just checked in at this hotel. I'm just wondering where are these lights. But quickly get the lights, guys. Quickly get the lights. Just quickly get in the lights. Where's the lights? Where's the lights? Where's the lights, guys? The lights. I'm just quickly getting the lights. Guys, where's the lights? Where's the lights, guys? I'm checking the lights. I don't know where's the lights. All right. We just checked in what is this place? In Qatar, right? Love it. There's no light that side.
There's light outside. I just switched it on.
All right. So, guys, I want to quickly show you just a bit, as we just checked in. This is a very beautiful hotel, very beautiful apartment, right? As you can see here, right? When you enter here, you will see that there is a all right. When you enter here, guys, you can see here there's a kitchen here, right? There is a kitchen where you can see. What's the good thing about this place is that it's called Mirage Hotel, Mirage downtown, right? This is a very beautiful apartment, right? As you can see here, my daughter's already on the gown. Hi, baby. How are you?
Baby, what is it? My dog.
Hi, baby. How are you, Mamba? Hi, how are you? It's your birthday today, baby. Happy birthday.
My birthday.
How are you?
You got a party like
Yeah, man. All right, so guys, we are just checking. Right, this is the lounge. All right, this is the lounge, guys. This is where the hotel is such a beautiful place, such a beautiful place. It has got such a wonderful place. Like I said, Mr. K's Travel Club, guys, I'm gonna give you content, the best content ever, right? And here you've got a spare toilet, right? And you've got a mirror there. It's such a nice place to be, right? And there's a table where you can sit and have lunch and so forth, right? So we're only here for a few days. We're not here for a long. From here, we're moving out from Qatar. We are in Qatar now. Qatar. This is a hotel in Qatar. From here, we're moving to a hotel we're moving to another country. We're moving to Bangkok. So the journey has just started, guys. The journey has just started. So this is the kids' bathroom, right? When you enter here, you see there's a kids' bathroom there. Such a wonderful place as well. Very, very beautiful place. And there's a shower there as well. There's a toilet. Arabs, they've got two toilets where you have to use the you can sit there and wipe yourself. Arabs, they eat too much chili, so they eat and they wipe themselves there. But for you as a normal person that normally goes to the toilet, normally you use this toilet, right? Such a beautiful place, guys. Beautiful shower, and they've got a beautiful bathroom. This is the mirror and the towels there, right? Towels is there and everything. So if you look here, right, check here, you'll see this is the kids' bathroom, right? This is Eva. This is the kids' bathroom. All right. So now, guys, we continue, right? This is how it is, right? Now this is the bedroom for the kids. As you can see, guys, the room is so spacious, right? Very spacious. Such a beautiful place, guys. Visit, guys. Travel, guys. Let's go to places. Go to Qatar. If God is able to bless you, why not? Travel, guys. See, there is a mirror there. Also, there's a mirror there. It's a nice, beautiful room. Look at this. Look how beautiful this area is. Look how beautiful this area is. Such a beautiful place. And look at this. Look at this. These are 2 single beds, right? And here you are able to switch on the lights and, be able to. Oh, I thought I was switching off. Why do you switch on this one? Yo, I don't know, guys. I don't know. But, oh, it's not plugged in. It's not plugged in. All right, I managed to plug it in. Yeah, all right. I managed to plug it in. So there's 2 lights, side lights where you can actually plug and be okay. All right. And they've got such a big TV here where you can sit and relax. And the room is so spacious, guys. Very spacious, as you can see there. See, very spacious. And what I love about this is that, they've got such a nice furniture. All right. Now we go out of here, right? We go out of here. We go to my, I'm not sure what is this. Oh, it's a washing machine. They've got a washing machine here, all right? It's a washing machine here. This is nice. And as you can see here, right, as well, you have, let me close here. Let me close here, guys, all right? And here you've got a toilet, another toilet, right? Another toilet there, right? So this place is good. It's huge, guys. It's such a beautiful place, right? So you can, lovely place, lovely place. An iron board there, right? As you can come out of here, you'll see there's also mirrors there as well. Jake, please, mirrors there, and here you can see here, right? And it's here it's the main bathroom, guys. Right, and there's another bathroom. There's a main bathroom where there's a shower as well here. You can shower here as well. Such a beautiful place. Mirage Downtown Hotel. Mirage Downtown Hotel. All right, it's in Qatar. Right, as you come here, you'll see here you've got a main bedroom, right? And this is your main bedroom where you can sit and relax, and you and your wife, you can. This is the main bedroom. Oh, I tried, always trying to make sure that I switch on the thing. I always make mistakes, right? So there's, you can see, there's a TV. They've got such a big TV as well, all right? And here you can also switch on the lights as well, right? Yeah, right. So that's it. That's the bathroom, the bedroom. There's the bedroom, right? Such a beautiful place. Beautiful place. Yeah, guys, so, I will keep you guys posted, as time goes. We are moving out from here. We will spend 6 days here. And from here, we're going to be going to Bangkok, where we'll check in at another hotel as well in Bangkok. And of course, it's such a beautiful curtain, beautiful bed, and so forth. Guys, such a wonderful experience. I'm so, proud for my Lord Jesus Christ, who is actually blessing us. You keep on blessing us, making sure everything is okay on our side. We are so grateful for having us. My daughter, all right. So, guys, thank you so much for watching, guys. I will actually keep you guys updated as time goes on. Mr. K's Travel Club is here to give you guys content as much as you want. Then we can see as time goes on. All right. This is the kitchen. I forgot to take a kitchen. This is the kitchen, guys. There's a stove and there's a fridge here. Look at the fridge. Just look at the fridge. Look at the fridge. Look at this. Look at this. Beautiful. Look at this. Look at this. Beautiful. All right, guys. Right, guys, until we meet again. Thank you so much for watching. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Right. Until then, we will actually talk as time goes. My wife, are you excited on your happy birthday?
I am very, very excited.
Excited.
I feel good.
How old am I turning again? I forgot.
You are 13 and 36.
36.
Mm.
Yo.
Oh, 37.